This is gonna be your single arm inverted kettlebell hold from the half kneeling position. So half kneeling position is just as such. I like to place a pad under my back knee unless you have a soft surface. Main emphasis here is to ensure the shin stays grounded. You have the top of your foot also down into the mat here. That front shin is gonna stay relatively vertical, and you wanna make sure the whole foot stays grounded. We really pay attention to that big toe. Now this is gonna be your half kneeling position. Be mindful, we wanna keep that rib cage pulled down. We wanna keep the neck nice and long. I don't wanna compensate into an anterior tilt and then compress my lumbar. Okay, so make sure I have a slight posterior tilt. That is, think of it like you have an imaginary tail. Tuck that tail between your legs. Keep that rib cage pulled down. That's gonna lock everything in here. Now from here, all I'm doing is I wanna grab a moderate at most weighted kettlebell and I wanna hold in this position. I wanna make sure that bicep stays parallel to the floor. So that's all I'm doing. I don't wanna flare out here because that's gonna cause shoulder issues. So I wanna make sure I keep it in tight, no more than 45 degrees of flare, and I'm focusing on balancing that kettlebell. All I'm doing is I'm keeping this level parallel. The opposite hand's gonna be out nice and long. Shoulders are gonna be nice and relaxed. Foot is grounded. Rib cage is pulled down, and I'm sinking that breath. Focusing on IAP or intra-abdominal pressure, trying not to get into my upper trap here. I wanna really focus on that anterior delt, rotator cuff group, which is also helping to stabilize the shoulder, and I'm just focusing on a steady diaphragmatic breath. This is meant to be an isometric hold, so whatever the time is prescribed, run it as is. If you fatigue out and time still runs, it's okay to take a little breather. Shake it out, let the clock run, come back up into that position. The way you know you're making progress is because the next time you hit this, you're hitting that whole set unbroken, right? So it's okay to take rest as needed. With that, make sure good form is the norm. And that is gonna be your single arm inverted kettlebell press up from the half kneeling position.